Good morning. Welcome to this beautiful day we have today. All right, it's calendar time, and then today we are going to supertize. Do you guys remember what that word means? All right, we'll learn it again shortly, so let's get to it. October is our month. It starts with the letter O. Good work. I put this little box around the day. Today is the 20th. It is a Tuesday. What do you guys hear for Tuesday? T. Tuesday starts with the letter T. So I'm going to move Tuesday up right here. And there is a T for Tuesday. Yesterday was a Monday, and then tomorrow will be Wednesday already. Today is Tuesday. Our number right here, let's see, is 20. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to say 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is the 20th of October. Take a look outside your window. You can put me on pause. What do you see the weather like? So what's the weather like at your house? Okay, you can draw me a picture if you would like of that. So today we're going to supertize. Do you guys remember what supertizing means? Supertizing means looking at a group of objects or a number and knowing how many it is as fast as you can. Sometimes you don't have to count them. So I am going to move these up here, and we are going to use our dice to help us, okay? And then we're going to practice supertizing, and then I have a Halloween supertizing for you. So supertizing is when you see a group of objects or some dots or even a dice, you can say how many you see as fast as you can. Your brain will relay the information and you can say it. I say 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yep, we're right. How many do you see? 2. Good. You saw 2. Let's check. Good job. You found 2. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes my brain sees 2, and sometimes my brain sees 2. And that is still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check. Good job. Okay. The last one. How many do you see? 1. Good job. I saw 1 dot and my brain was, hey, I know that is just 1. So you guys ready to supertize some Halloween objects? Okay, let's go. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you some pictures. I have some objects on those pictures, and I want you to tell me how many you see. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. How many pumpkins do you see? 1. Good. How many ghosts? 1, 2, 3. Did you say 3? Show me with your hands how many witches. 1, 2. Work. How many of these do you see? 1, 2, 3. Work. Okay, good job. So you guys are, what are you doing? How many pumpkins? Supertizing. 1, 2, 3. I see 2 up here. My brain saw these 2 together, and then I had 1 more. And 2, and then 1 more is 3. Good. Okay, how many mummies? 1, 2, and then 1 more. 3! All right, the last one before we do our apples. How many spiders do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. There are 4 spiders. We've been learning a lot about apples. So let's look at this apple tree. I put these dice down to help me. I can look and see 1. I can see 2 there at the corners. And then this one, there's 2, but then there's 1 more in the middle. That would be 3. Okay, you ready? We're going to see how many apples are in our apple tree by supertizing them as fast as you can. How many? 1, 2. Good job. 2. 1, 2. How many apples? Good work. So today, boys and girls, you subitized. You subitized objects, you subitized Halloween, and you subitized apples. You were able to count them as fast as you can. Now it's your turn. I want you to grab some objects if you have them. Up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put them in your hand. You can put just a couple. And then I want you to subitize with somebody at your house or at your table. Okay, you're going to put a couple objects down. You're going to have them close their eyes, open your eyes, and tell me how many they see. I'll put instructions so you guys can see. Bye.